Today we've got a mind-blowing journey lined up, packed with seriously cool stuff you might not have stumbled upon before. But hold up, before we dive in, do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on more mind-boggling content like this. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright, buckle up because we're about to unravel some seriously intriguing facts and hacks on how to make some cash in ways that aren't your typical grind. Ever thought about digital products that rake in big bucks with surprisingly little competition? We're talking about a niche that's pulling in over $15,000. Yeah, you heard that right. But that's not all. Stick around because we're going to walk through some fun facts and step-by-step methods on how to create these digital gold mines. Think of it as your ultimate guide to making unique AI-powered digital goodies that people are itching to get their hands on. Let's start the adventure. Don't skip any part because at the start, the competition is tough, but it eases up toward the end of the list. For example, if you check Etsy for digital stickers, you'll see about 500,000 super competitive results. But switch it up and search for a sticker book, and the competition drops. Don't stress about the 100,000 results. I'll explain that in a bit. Sticker books are just fancy pictures, PNGs. That's our first product on the list. I've done my homework and I can confirm it's selling right now. This shop, Thunder and Grace, brings in $2,774 per month, while the big city stickers makes about $673 revenue. Even though the smaller one sells well, breaking into a niche with 500,000 results can be tough if you're just starting. So the trick is to use the space key method. Put your main niche in the search field. Hit space to find sub-niches. As a newbie, these sub-niches usually have less competition and are easier to focus on. For instance, if we take sticker book for women as an example, we'd find only 9,000 results with lower competition. In the women's niche, there's a shop named Saucebox Stickers and has a listing with consistent new reviews rakes in $1,967 monthly. The question is, how can we make similar stickers using AI? I'll demonstrate using ChatGPT to automate the process and Midjourney to create illustrations. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate topics related to women. Choose a topic and ask for sticker ideas. For instance, I picked floral design quotes and got a list of sticker ideas. Next, head to Midjourney and start writing prompts and making illustrations. But imagine if ChatGPT could write the prompts for us with just one click. To do this, paste the Midjourney formula into the chat, mostly composed of image description and style, and ask ChatGPT for prompts for each sticker on the list. Watch as ChatGPT generates all the prompts for you. Now you can copy each of these prompts into Midjourney to generate your illustrations. The screen shows how the stickers turned out. After that, remove the background, and your AI-generated floral design quotes stickers should be set for selling. Moving on, let's talk about something simple: phone wallpapers. I'll guide you through making these in less than 5 minutes. You'll need to choose a theme. For my theme, I'm going to use song lyrics with matching illustrations. You can use ChatGPT to get your quotes and ideas like we did before if you need to. For instance, imagine all the people living life in peace John Lennon pairs with a design of a colorful rainbow gradient background, symbolizing inclusivity and diversity, representing different people coming together. Then, creating the background is easy. Be sure to use --AR916 for a vertical image. Then head to Canva to add text. Voila, you've made professional phone wallpapers quickly. Next is educational posters. They've been a big success, making more than $10,000 in sales. Let's dive into how I made them. I decided to focus on making posters that people can print out easily. There are so many different styles and subjects to explore. But let's take flowers as an example. To start, I got help from ChatGPT, a smart tool that gave me a bunch of flower ideas. Then I took inspiration from a similar art style used by my competition. After gathering these ideas, I used a user-friendly design platform called Canva to put everything together. I combined the flower graphics, added their names, and crafted the final poster. The goal here is to sell it either as a printable version that people can download and print at home, or as a physical poster that we can ship out. It's amazing how exploring different styles and topics opens up opportunities to create something unique and appealing. Once the poster is complete, we'll find ways to market it and offer it to our audience. This process allows us to tap into people's interests and preferences, providing them with a product they'd love to have either on their walls or as a printable for their own use. Speaking of products, Another hot seller is printable bookmarks. They're great for Etsy, with less competition. Plus, they're easy to make, especially with this unique method. Right now, I'll demonstrate how you can replicate the look of this product that you find appealing. At first, it might seem tricky, but what if I told you that what's on the screen was made in just a couple of minutes? Let me show you how. Start by taking a screenshot of the image you like. To do this, press the Windows key and Shift together. Then paste the picture in the middle of your work and copy the link. Type a / and select the Describe option. Then click on the upload file, paste the link, and click Open. Finally, press Enter. This command will give you 4 different prompts describing the image. You can try each one to see which works best. This saves a lot of time since you don't have to come up with the prompts yourself. After that, save the images you've generated and go to Canva. There, you'll find many templates. Just replace the design with yours, save it to your device, and your product will be ready to sell. Now, on to the next product, printable affirmation cards. There's minimal competition here, and Etsy listings show profits up to $100,000 by selling simple designs like this. This shop named The Lamar has designs that are a mix of quotes and basic graphics, sometimes just simple quotes. I'll demonstrate how to create hundreds of these cards in just a few minutes. Instead of writing the sentences yourself, ask ChatGPT to generate the number of cards you want. Typically, we'd copy each text and make individual cards on Canva, but this won't be necessary if you use this method. First, go to Canva and make a basic design for your project. Add text, pick a font, and use effects. Then come back here and copy the quotes. Next, in Canva, find and click on Apps, search for Bulk, and select Bulk Create App. Click on Enter Data manually, clear the table, name the column Quotes, and paste the copied quotes below it. If done correctly, you'll see all the quotes listed. Click Done. Lastly, link the text in your design to the Quotes column, generate pages, and you'll have 50 affirmation cards in less than 5 minutes. You can tweak designs by changing colors and adding graphics. This method saves heaps of time. Thanks for tuning in. Creating these digital goodies is simpler than you think, and there are lots of communities and Facebook groups dedicated to this topic as well for support and guidance. If you enjoyed learning about these unique ways to make money online, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more cool stuff together.